For ROG Zephyrus G14, Ryzen 4000. Owners looking to boost performance, the ATEC 32GB DDR4 RAM module is a compelling upgrade. Specifically designed for the GA401, GA401IH, GA4012, GA401IU, and GA4014 models. This memory upgrade promises to enhance your gaming and multitasking capabilities. This is a single 32GB SOMM module, operating at a speed of 3,200 MHz, PC4-25600. It's a non-ECC unbuffered module with a 2RX8 configuration, adhering to the JEDEC DDR4 standard of 1.2V. What does all this mean? It means it should play nicely with your existing G14 setup, provided your system is compatible with these specifications. The primary benefit of upgrading to 32GB of RAM is the expanded memory resource. This translates to smoother performance when running demanding applications, reduced bottlenecks that can cause stuttering or lag, and an overall increase in your laptop's workload capacity. Gamers will appreciate the ability to run games at higher settings and multitask more efficiently, while content creators can handle larger files and complex projects with greater ease. Installation is designed to be quick and easy, something you can do at home without needing specialized expertise. ATEC emphasizes consulting your system's manual for proper seating and channel guidelines, which is always a good practice when working with computer hardware. ATEC backs its memory modules with stringent quality control testing, aiming for dependable and reliable performance. They also offer a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Plus, their knowledgeable tech team is available to assist with any questions or issues you might encounter before or after your purchase. If you're looking for a reliable RAM upgrade for your Zephyrus G14, this is a great option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.